Many a French hero has taken on the captain's role. Poised, agile, commanding, Hugo Lloris stands tall amongst them. This year, he would lead Les Bleus during one of their most turbulent moments. The date, November the 13th, at the Stade de France.
C'était concentré, bien évidemment, on a entendu les deux booms.
We were focused on the game, then, at one point, we heard the two explosions. But we only realized what had happened as we left the pitch.
Alors on passe d'un sentiment à un autre, quoi. On sort du terrain.
We went from one emotion to another.
On est satisfait du résultat, de la performance.
We left the pitch happy with the results and our performance. But suddenly, the tension came back as we saw what was happening on the screens in the tunnel.
À travers des écrans qui sont situés dans le tunnel. Au moment même, je pense que
When the TV was turned on,
lorsqu'on allume la télé,
the siege at the Bataclan was just beginning.
l'assaut est lancé au Bataclan.
A tragic and painful moment.
Un moment tragique et assez douloureux. Un grand moment de solidarité, surtout entre.
There was a moment of great solidarity between the French and the Germans, as well as certain
Avec
journalists.
certains journalistes. Je veux dire, c'était un moment où on a
We completely forgot about football and the barriers that usually exist between opponents. The media and the players were brought down.
Entre médias et joueurs.
That was the moment when we realized that above all,
Et
we're
c'est là où on
human
se rend compte que,
beings.
voilà, on reste que des êtres humains.
Just 4 days later, sporting rivalry would be put to one side again. It was confirmed that France's friendly with England at Wembley would go ahead as planned.
À travers le sport, on a ce pouvoir de.
Through sport, we had the power to set an example
Et,
and to try to let the French people enjoy themselves
divertir
through football, even
les
if
Français.
our thoughts were elsewhere.
Même si nos têtes et nos pensées sont ailleurs. On n'était pas prêts pour jouer le match face à l'Angleterre psychologiquement, mais on l'a fait.
Psychologically, we weren't prepared to play the match against England, but we took part with pride to put our sport and our country first.
Également notre sport et notre pays.
An unwavering presence for his country. At club level, Lloris also captains English Premier League side Tottenham Hotspur. His arrival in North London is part of a journey that began with a simple passion.
Je pense qu'à l'âge de 6 ans, j'ai commencé à jouer au CEDAC.
When I was 6 years old, I started playing with Sedac de Simier, and I had everything I could have asked for at that age. I have this memory of looking at the goal and deciding that was where I wanted to be. I immediately had this desire to feel important and to play a decisive role for the team. I went through all the steps, one after the other, beginning with Nice's Youth Academy and progressing through to the first team.
Pour arriver à l'équipe professionnelle.
Now in his 4th season at Tottenham, Lloris is focused on the present.
J'en suis très content et très fier parce que réussir à l'étranger, c'est.
Making it abroad is an important test for any sportsman, but also for any human being. So I'm very happy and very proud to have achieved it.
Il y a plein de choses à apprendre.
And of course, there are many things to learn outside France.
Je pense que la Première Ligue est réputée pour.
The Premier League has a reputation for its level and many other things. It's got its own characteristics, and while you have to adapt, there are a lot of opportunities to develop.
S'épanouir dans ce championnat, même s'il faut s'y adapter.
We enjoy playing every weekend, on every pitch.
Sur chaque terrain.
At Spurs, Lloris leads a new generation. His appointment as captain by manager Mauricio Pochettino early this year reflects the coach's commitment to youth and progress.
L'année dernière, c'était une saison de
Last year was a transitional season and we had to adapt to the new philosophy of Mauricio Pochettino, a new type of football with its own style.
Un nouveau football, tout simplement, avec ses propres caractéristiques. Il attache beaucoup d'importance à ses adjoints.
He puts a lot of faith in the people around him, and this creates a spirit among the coaching staff, him and the players, and we can only move forward in this way.
Les joueurs, et on ne peut qu'avancer dans ce contexte.
New foundations, familiar ambitions, sustained success at the top level.
L'ambition, on est en Première Ligue, l'ambition c'est.
We're in the Premier League, so the ambition is to finish as high as possible. It's a huge league with the biggest clubs competing, so we must be very consistent in our performances and results.
Très régulier et constant dans nos performances et dans nos résultats.
Spurs continue to build towards the future on and off the pitch, but their inspirational captain has no delusions of grandeur.
Il ne faut pas se rendre plus important que ce qu'on est.
We mustn't make ourselves more important than we are. It's important to stay true to yourself
De s'inscrire dans
and remain committed to the group project with a big English club.
un grand club anglais. Et puis après, il faut également reconnaître que
I
c'est
realise that it's a great honour to go overseas, to settle in, and become captain of one of the biggest teams.
capitaine de...
But I remain focused and take great pleasure from everyday life, both on and off the pitch, so I can flourish and succeed as much as possible.
en dehors et de m'épanouir au maximum.